Hello everyone, welcome to Building Blockchain App course. In this course, we'll be going through the development process of building an application called Proof of Existence on the blockchain. So we'll be creating a platform where you will be pushing these certain records on the blockchain using the MultiChain platform, and we'll be retrieving it using the web APIs and showing it on the web interface. So in this lecture, we'll be going through the overview of the course. I'll be explaining everything about in which lecture what we are going to learn and how it is going to help us in building the application. So let me just go through the next slide. So this is me, your trainer. My name is Toshendra Sharma. I'm a serial entrepreneur in the technology platforms. I built many companies, especially my last company was in the AppVigil mobile application security scanner. We used to take mobile application and perform the security analysis in the completely in the backend. My current company is the Records Keeper. So I'm a founder and CEO of the Records Keeper. So Records Keeper is a blockchain based record keeping technology for large size enterprises. They can maintain the huge size of records, their data integrity, their proof of existence, proof of ownership, uh, proof of integrity, everything on the blockchain using this technology. I was also the part of the Forbes India's 30 under 30 list for 2016. So I'll be teaching you everything in this course. So in lecture one, which is a current lecture, we'll be going through the overview of the course. We'll be understanding what we are going to learn and what we'll be exploring during the entire course one by one. In the lecture two, we'll be seeing and understanding what is proof of existence and what we are exactly going to be built and how it looks like. Yeah, so we'll be building the proof of existence. As you can see, this tool will be available and is actually currently available at proofofexistence.org. This is how it will look like, and we'll be exactly building this one. Okay, so in this platform you can put your name, email ID and message and upload a file, and you can actually claim that this file existed with you on a certain moment in time. So let's say I'll just upload, let's say, this architecture, right? I'll put my name here, right, and my email ID and any message that I own this file or blah blah blah. And then as you can see, the digest has been already created at the client side. You can click on this, it will wait for some time and it will give you this link. So using this link, you can actually claim anywhere that this file existed with you, and you can claim this detail. Remember, we are storing everything in the blockchain, not in any traditional database. So you can call it a decentralized storage that we are using to prove the ownership of the file. So in the lecture 3, we'll be explaining and understanding what is blockchain and multi-chain, and how it can actually, how multi-chain can help us in building the application faster than the traditional blockchain by extending the Bitcoin core or something like that, or Ethereum. So why multi-chain is a far better option than any other blockchain. uh, in lecture 4, we'll be going through and understanding the our application architecture, how we are going to build it. In lecture 5, we'll be setting up the background and the environment for the development, like which tool we are going to use, the visual editor, or the web servers in the AWS cloud, launching the machine and setting up everything so that we can save time. In lecture 6, we'll be setting up the blockchain nodes. So we'll be setting up two blockchain nodes and connect them each other, connect the one node to another so that they can communicate, and we'll be pushing the data on a one node which will be available and replicated through multiple nodes. Remember, these nodes will presently be owned by the AWS account owner, but you can choose to make it public if you want, but make sure that public blockchain have a different kind of problem, which I have already explained in my previous course, blockchain basics. In lecture 7, we'll be creating the web APIs using the Slim framework for publishing and verifying the API, directly interacting with the multi-chain streams. So we'll be going through that one using the PHP programming. And in lecture 8, we'll be seeing how can we integrate the web APIs with the web interface so that we can actually let user use the form to generate the POE rather than it going through the APIs. In lecture 9, we'll be verifying the published POE using the multi-chain command line interface so that we can understand, okay, this is how this whole thing will look like in the backend once it is stored in the blockchain. In lecture 10, we'll verify the published POE using a get method or using a web API which we have created, and we'll show everything in the web interface. So we'll complete the application here, and then in lecture 11, we'll be summarizing everything, and we'll go through one by one each lecture and understand why it is useful and how it actually helped you building this. So after implementing this whole course or the project, you will be able to figure out the use cases, because you have built a use case by yourself in the course. So this will be very helpful. So let's start. Thank you.